Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now, back with another really super hard repair. We got a brand new 2018 Chevy pickup with the dent right there. The gentleman was pulling a fifth wheel trailer, went around a bend and a hill the wrong way, and the gooseneck actually came down and crunched the top of the bed. It's gonna be a really difficult repair. Let me bring you over and show you the damage. You can see the gooseneck came down on top, crunched that in, but what that does is pushes the metal out on the side of the bed. So all of this right in here is completely distorted. So we're gonna be able to go in through some of these holes, and then on that side, right there is where the damage is over here. Luckily, the way the bed's built, we're gonna sneak in through this hole. Our goal, and we've already gone over this with the customer, is to get this line up so the plastic trim fits properly and get all of that metal back up top so when he looks in the mirror, he doesn't see that damage. We're gonna try to minimize anything up in here we can, but again, our goal is to get this line back and this metal back in place. So I'll be back to show you some progress along the way, and thanks for watching. All right, so here, we've got our first round of pulling in. See that we're already getting it to move in pretty nice. The buckle's already starting to go down, and up here is moving pretty well. So, a few rounds in, see that that's coming up real nice. Smooth, letting that side panel move in real good. We come back and concentrate on working on this right now. So here is that 18 Silverado. So we got this body line all back. All of this came in. We've made the judgment call to leave the rest of up here alone. It's all covered with a cover. I'll show you that in a minute. but we don't want to risk damaging any paint. In fact, we're going to straighten these up. We don't want to damage any paint around these holes. So here we go. I'll be back to show you with it all together. All right, we're back with the finished job here on this Silverado. Remember I told you that cover was going on? You can see where it impacted across the cover right there. Actually gonna have custom covers made for this to match the bumpers on this truck. But our body line is all completely back. The bedside where it buckled out looks great. The customer's super thrilled to death. All right, if we can help you out with a big oops on your truck, visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text at the number below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.